All right, we have question 19 here. We want to write the equation of the circle here. Please understand that the equation is, again, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Here we can find the center first. Then again, please remember that the center is referred to as hk. So h here is -3, k here is 4, the radius here is 7. So we write this equation. So let me just grab this equation, right? See, I paste it in here, right? And I'm now going to make that substitution. So the h is going to be a -3, then the k is going to be a 4, all right? And then the r is going to be a 7. So we simplify. X minus the -3, that's just x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 49. There you go. All right. Same thing here. The h is -3, the k is 4, then the diameter is 10, so the radius is equal to 10. The diameter is 20, so the radius is 10. We have it. All right. Here is our equation of a circle. Subtract that, make the substitution. That is -3 for the h. We substitute the 4 in for the k, and we substitute in the 10 here for the r. All right, simplify. X minus -3 is just x plus 3. Square that, plus y minus 4 squared, and 10 squared is just 100. Next one, h here is -7, k here is -1, the diameter is 9, so the radius is 4.5. Okay, here is our equation. Let's substitute. We plug in a -7 here for the h, and then we substitute in the k as -1, and then the r as 4.5. Right, now we simplify. 7 minus -7 is x plus 7 squared, plus y minus -1 is just plus 1 squared, is equal to 4.5 squared. It is 20.25. Okay, next, here's the center. So h is equal to 12, k is equal to 5. The radius is equal to square root of 89. Here's our equation. Let's make the substitution. We plug in here the 12 for the h, then we plug in the 5 for the k, then we plug in the square root 89 for the r. All right, now we can simplify. Nothing happens here. It's just x minus 12 squared plus y minus 5 squared. Then the square and the square root here cancels, just leaving you with an 89. So there you go. That is how you write the equation of a circle.